Hi, welcome back. It's Mina again. Today we will go on part 2 of chapter 15. It's page 23 of chapter 15. Let's revise what we have learned before. It's about concentration. This one we will say is a concentrated solution because it has more number of particles with more particles in the solution. This one is a dilute solution with a very small number of particles in the solution. Okay, when it comes to A and B, this one has larger volume with 12 boxes 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 boxes, but this one only 1 2 3 4 5 6 smaller volume, and this one with more number of moles of particles, NaCl, which is NaCl 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and then this one 1 2 3 4 5. Then larger volume, more number of moles of solid, smaller volume, and then with less particles. Then how can we know which one is more concentrated? Then we do it by mathematics. So 9 moles, the 9 particles, and then we use each particle refers to 1 mole of NaCl. So 9 mole will divide by 12 dm cube. Each box refers to 1 dm cube. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 dm cube. So it will be 9 mole divided by 12 dm cube. So the unit will be mole per dm cube, or capital letter M, or you may say mole. Here, wrong. Mole per dm cube. So B, same method. 1 2 3 4 5 particles, and then 1 particle refers to 1 mole. So 5 mole divided by 6 boxes of volume. So you can calculate it, and then when they are changed to number, so that you can compare which one is more concentrated. So molarity means molar concentration. They means the same thing. Equals to number of mole of solid divided by volume. Then why do I use square bracket here? It's because laziness. Molar concentration of NaCl in A. I don't want to write them many words, so I just use square bracket, means molarity, and it's also accepted in test, quiz, exam, and also public exam because it's a formal representation of molar concentration. Same here. If I want to describe the molar concentration of NaCl solution in B, then you just use square bracket. It refers to molar concentration of NaCl. So next time, if I want to say molar concentration of acid, sulfuric acid, then you can use square bracket. H2SO4 means molar concentration of sulfuric acid. So page 23 of chapter 15, example 2. I think you should take some time to read the question and then try to do it by yourself. You take pause lah. Of course, I will not wait you here. A concentrated sulfuric acid solution. A concentrated sulfuric acid solution means it's mixed with water. It's always a mixture of sulfuric acid and water. Concentrated means we add very low amounts of water into it. But when it comes to a dilute one, that means a lot of water. And then it said that it has a density of 1.83 gram per cm cube. That means its mass, its weight will be 1.83 gram in 1 cm cube. For 1 cm cube of this acid, its mass will be 1.83 gram. And then it contains 94% of sulfuric acid by mass. That means in this 1.83 gram, not all the weight, not all the mass comes from acid. Only 94% of it will be acid, 6% will be water. And then now A, they ask you what is the mass of sulfuric acid. Forget 1 dm cube first. The main problem is find the mass. Okay, 1.83 gram is the mass for acid and water all together. The sum of mass of sulfuric acid and water, and acid only counts for 94%. So what's the mass of the real? What is the real mass of sulfuric acid in that solution? So out of 1.83 gram, only 94% is acid, right? So the mass of sulfuric acid will be 1.83 times 94%. So calculate it. So 1.83 times 94 divided by 1000. Ow! So it's real mass for 1.7202 gram. This is the real mass for H2SO4. If you use this minus this, around 0.11 gram, it's the mass for water. Okay. So now, this is the mass of H2SO4 in 1 cm cube. How about in 1 dm cube? Do you still remember 1 dm cube equals to 1000 cm cube? So if this is a mass in only 1 cm cube, only 1 cm cube, very small solution, only 1 cm cube. But now they are asking you the mass in 1 dm cube, which contain 1000 of this volume. This is 1 cm cube, and then 1 dm cube is this one times 1000. Of course a lot, I will not draw it here. But this one is 1.72. Then what's the mass, total mass for 1000? So it should be the answer for mass of three, 2, 1. So this is the mass of sulfuric acid in 1 dm cube. Okay, and then now B. What's the molarity? Molarity means number of mole divided by volume, right? Now the volume is exactly 1 dm cube. And then you don't have number of mole, you only have the mass. So how can you calculate it? 3, 2, 1. So molarity of H2SO4 equals to number of mole divided by volume. Now the volume is 1 dm cube, and the number of mole will be given mass. Mass over molar mass. The molar mass for H2SO4 so I will calculate the number of mole first. The molar mass will be 1 times 2 plus 32.1 plus 16 times 4, 98.1. And then now the mass is 1720.2 divided by answer. So this will be the number of mole divided by volume, which is 1. So the molarity will be 17.5 mole per dm cube, and it's done. Okay, can you try exercise 2? It's your turn. Good luck.